Hi everyone, it's Cyndi with Cyndi Duncan Arts. I'm in the studio today and I'm getting things ready for my open house that's coming up this weekend. I'm waiting for the mailman to come and pick up my packages from my live sale last week. I got into the studio a little bit late today, so I'm hoping I didn't miss him. He comes early. My neighbor's been on the phone, so while I was waiting to film for you, I decided to go ahead and work a little bit more on this canvas. I added these napkin decoupage there, this, and then this one down here. This isn't napkin, but down in the corner, I think it draws the eyes in more. I'm still looking to do a sentiment on it. I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to put on there. And I made decoupage over that image to protect it. So that's what I'm doing this morning. I did spend the morning when I came in, because I couldn't film, I brought up a whole bunch of stuff that I needed to do, bring up to get ready for the sale on Saturday. But I'll check in with you from time to time today. Mondays are usually the days that I spend the most time on art and art-related things, so I will keep you posted. So I thought I'd show you my studio and my preparation here. I brought in a number of my paintings from home that I have to finish and put hangers on so that I can hang them for my open house. This one, many of these are not for sale, actually, to be quite honest with you, but they're just so people can see what I can do. This is my little live sale area, but I'm going to have to transform this into my showcase. So I have to figure out what I'm doing. I've been doing my hauls here too, so I have to kind of change my space up a little bit. So this morning when I came in, I actually did get a little bit of creative stuff done. Come back behind my desk here. I worked, move that. I worked on this canvas. You've seen this before, but I decided, I think I told you earlier, I put a little extra color in there and then I finished the edges. I did have to stop and wait though, because my sponge brush got a little too wet from cleaning it, and so I had to put it aside and wait. But then I had extra black paint. I'm just telling you how the process goes. What this is a cardboard book made with packing tape, and I got the directions for that online. And so I made this book quite a long time ago. And anyway, I never did anything with it because I did this page and I kind of liked that, but this came out, I didn't like that. And I just never went back to it because it needs to be different. Like, I need a collage in it, which is what I'm doing nowadays. But anyway, so I had that extra black paint. So I came in here and I painted this page black. And we'll see. I brought it from home because it's one of those unfinished projects that I never come back to at home. So I thought if I kept it here, then maybe I would work on it from time to time. This is actually the cover to the book. So eventually, when I finish the book, it'll go in the cover and it'll get bound to the front, probably with packing tape. I'm not sure. I don't remember how it's supposed to get bound. But probably with packing tape there, like the rest of the pages are. It's been so long since I've done it. But I like how it opens flat, so each one of these pages can be seen. So, yeah, it'll be fun to work on. Hello everyone, so today is Tuesday. I'm in the studio again, as always, and I am working on some things, so I thought I would show you what I'm doing. Alright, so the studio is a bit of a mess as I'm getting ready for two things. Over here I'm getting ready for my upcoming open house, as well as I'm pulling stuff over here for my live sale that's coming up tomorrow. I do them once a week on Wednesdays. So let me show you what happened yesterday. So yesterday I was working on this picture frame and I was pulling well, I pulled the piece out that was in here, and look at how they did the nails. The nails go, like, I swear, every quarter of an inch all the way around. Some of them are missing because I pulled them out. Anyway, I got all that done. It took me quite a while. Pulled the piece out that was in it, and only to discover that my piece is about a quarter of an inch too big, maybe even more, to fit in there. So I'm really horribly depressed about that, because I bought this beautiful picture frame to go with my painting, and it just doesn't work. So I will have to, I'm going to adjust for the open house, just so that it has a frame on it for then. And then I'm just going to have to be on the lookout again for another one. All right, so my studio is a bit of a mess, but I wanted to go ahead and end this vlog by taking you around and showing you what I did, what I finished. I'm sure you can see up on the wall I was doing that, but let me turn you around and I will show you what I completed today. All right, so the studio is a bit of a mess, and it's time to go home, so I am not going to clean it up tonight. I'll do it tomorrow. That's all stuff for my live sale tomorrow, with the exception of the painting that's there waiting to get hung. So my landlord doesn't really want me putting holes in the wall, even though there's already some existing holes. He doesn't want me to add more. So I've been trying to hang with command strips. That painting already had wire on it, so I got, and the one I'm going to put next to it already has, or I put wire on it today, so I'm going to hang it there. My painting that's down there is going to get hung there, although after I hung the top one, I discovered that this one that I had kind of mapped out there has to come down a little bit. And then I'm going to put two over there. So I priced all my live sale stuff today. I have to check before I go home and see if people paid me for those two things that were left over from last week. If so, I'll take them to the post office tomorrow. I put a layer of Mod Podge on the top of this picture to protect it. I'm going to add a sentiment there, and then I will finish the back of this somehow, and then that'll be one of those 12 by 12s that's hung over there. I'm trying to think what else I did. Oh, I filmed a haul video today. And as far as art, this is probably really the only thing I did today art-wise. I mean, you know, creative-wise, let's put it that way. Everything else was art-wise anyway. So that's what I got done today. I hope you enjoyed my little behind-the-scenes vlog. Probably next week I'll get back to some sort of a process video for you. Thank you so much for joining me. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell so that you know if I go live or when I post a new video. If you're not familiar with my other channel, please check that out. It's Mimi's Treasure Cottage. And I'll see everybody in the next video. Bye.